Today I will be unboxing the ASUS TUF F15 gaming laptop, and as you guys can see, this is my new PC that I did get today, and I'm pretty excited to unbox it, guys. This is a really nice handle that you can pick it up if you want to carry it. Now, do excuse the front of the box since there is a little bit of tape on there, but I didn't want to rip it off since I'm scared I'm gonna damage the box. Without further ado, let's get into the video. We are going to start unboxing, and we are quickly going to see the tape over here. As you guys can see, there is a little bit of damage to the box over there, but that's nothing too serious. That's why I left the tape on there. But let's start by opening the box. Make sure to push the handle back and open it really gently. If you open the box, you will be greeted with the gaming laptop itself, and as you guys can see, it looks pretty good, and I really like how they packaged this gaming laptop. This is the RTX 3060 version with the i7 12th gen. I will start by taking out the ASUS gaming laptop out of the box, and I will feel the weight of it, and it does feel pretty heavy, so it is a pretty sturdy laptop. We are gonna put that aside for now because that's the best part of the unboxing. Let's start by unboxing the other things first. As you guys can see, you have a user manual over here, so we're gonna remove that so you guys can have a look what else is in the box. Over here is the TUF Gaming user guide for the laptop. I don't really need this, but you guys can take a look if you want to. There is a warranty card as well, because of course with any gaming laptop or any item in general, there is always a warranty. I'm going to put this aside for now so we can get on to the other stuff that needs to be unboxed. As you guys can see, the box is very well made, and I really like what they did with the packaging. We are going to open up this apartment, and we are going to see if the power supply is in here. I believe it's on the right side if you open the box. As you guys can see, you will be greeted with the power brick. It is a really big one. Now you guys will probably have a better plastic over it. I did remove mine prior because I always test my products before reviewing them. This is a 200-watt power brick, so it is going to give your laptop enough power for your gaming needs. As you guys can see, it is also written on the brick 200 watt, and the texture does feel very nice. This is a charging port for your laptop. This is what's gonna give your laptop power. Let's just put that aside for now and see what else the box has to offer. Let's see what else the box has to offer. As you guys can see, there is a left side compartment. We are also going to open this, and this will reveal the power brick's power supply that we will need to connect. And as you guys can see, I'm going to hide the plug just because I don't want anybody to know where I'm from just yet. It is now time to connect both the power brick and the power supply so you guys can see how it works. You're going to take both items like this, and you're gonna point it perfectly over here so you guys don't make a mistake. Just make sure to plug it in exactly as I do. Make sure it is secured into the power brick so it doesn't come loose when you want to charge your laptop or while you playing games. It is now complete. Now we can get onto the laptop unboxing. I'm going to start by unboxing the laptop. As you guys can see, I did place it nicely on this table, so let's get it out of this protective cover. And guys, I'm seriously so excited today, bro. Like, this is crazy to think I've finally got this cool gaming laptop and I'm gonna move on from my old PC. But as you guys can see, we're going to gently remove it out of this packaging, and you're just gonna pull it out on it like this, guys. And this is how the laptop is looking. It already looks really cool, guys. I would absolutely recommend you guys getting this laptop, because this is already going to be a huge upgrade compared to my old PC. So if this is for you guys and you guys like portability, absolutely get this laptop in the future. Now that the laptop is out of the packaging and on the table, I'm going to open up this laptop right now, guys, but first let me show you how it looks. So as you guys can see, it has the ASUS TUF logo over there at the left side, but let's start by opening it up right now, guys. And this is how it looks. As you can see, it's a really slim build, but it is going to be great for portability, and I will show you guys the specs a little bit later in the video. As you guys can see, it has an i7 12th gen. Some of you guys already know that by the title, but it does feel really premium, guys. The laptop is really strongly built. Outside and the exterior, it is all metal, and in the interior, it is really strong plastic. But I think this build is really good, and the keybinds does feel really clicky, so you guys will enjoy this keyboard. Just remember, it doesn't have any LEDs, it's only white LEDs, but it's still worth it because of the build quality. It is finally time to turn on this laptop, so I'm really excited about it. Just remember, it was in the box for a very long time, so it will probably turn on a lot slower than it would if you already had it plugged in. But as you guys can see, we're greeted with the ASUS incredible starting screen, and we're just still waiting for it to turn on, but you can clearly see the white LEDs on the keyboard, so it's decent. I would have liked RGB LEDs, to be honest, but with the build quality and the price of this laptop, I think it's absolutely worth it. So we are still waiting for it to turn on. It is taking quite a while, but with this reviews, guys, I want to be honest with you guys, but it is on right now, so I don't know how long it took. I think it's only a few seconds, so it's pretty good, I guess. And this is basically the starting screen. Now I do have a custom wallpaper, guys, because yeah, I did use this laptop in the past, but I never could have done an unboxing, and I just felt like I need to do an unboxing for you guys, you know. So yeah, but the IPS panel is really good, guys. I will have all the specs on the screen right now if you guys would like to see the specs. But the specs for this price range is pretty good. I mean, this is probably the best you're gonna get. But yeah, if you would like a webcam for your new laptop, make sure to look at this video at the right side corner, for this is one of the best budget webcams you can get on the market right now. And I hope to see you guys in the future video, because I will be reviewing this laptop and testing a few games on it in the future. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace out.